Welcome back to S&S British Bird Diaries. Right, I'm just going to start this video saying a big thank you to Staffordshire Pets for sponsoring me. Thank you. If you'd like to pop over and have a look at Staffordshire Pet sell, vast amount of seed. It covers all animals, cats, dogs, birds, fish, reptiles, you name it, the lad's got it. All Versalaga, top quality gear. Same with the reptile stuff, all Exoterra. You can't go wrong. There ain't a seed, there ain't anything he ain't got, to be honest with you. So if you'd like to pop over and have a look, delivered to your door within the next day for all your pet needs, cats and dogs, birds and exotic animals, fish, pet wellness, pet accessories, organic pet food. And his number is 07359 274 582. Just gotta say a big thank you for the seed, Rob. Cheers, buddy. Right, today, ladies and gentlemen, it's absolutely freezing where I am, -4. But I'll show you the flights today, as you can see by the ice. Right. Thank you to everyone that's liked, subscribed and given me amazing feedback. Much appreciated. Please smash that thumbs up button if you like what you're seeing. In the AV1, I have a common crossbill cock to a pied greenfinch hen. There I am, happy as Larry. Gloomy day today, like I say, -4. Second pair of crossbills, settled in lovely. It is a bit dark. Third pair. A bullfinch cock. The hen is over there somewhere. You will see her. There she is. Pair of bullies, all roosted up. And last but least, guys, pair of goldies. Done well for me last year. That'll be the set pairs for 2024 in the ivory, that is, guys. And as it is, the stable's empty at the minute. Not for long now. Right then, guys, thank you for watching. Please, like I say, pop over to Staffordshire Pets for all your pet products. Spot on, like I say, next day delivery, bang on time. Right then, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you all have a great Christmas. Stay safe and boom, I'm out.